job, buddy. Run for it. All right. Ooh, it's nice. Nice out. Happy Sunday afternoon. So just kicking it. I just got out of the shower. Feel okay, pretty good. So we're gonna update on the new washing machine, the new laundry's appliance here. So the first one wasn't compatible, so that got sent back the day it was delivered. I posted about that. So another one has been ordered. Okay, so my mother has just decided that like a year or two ago, we had problems with the dryer. I don't even remember this happening, but I guess it did, and it was fixed. So might as well just buy an entire new unit, double unit stackable washer and dryer. So now that's happening. There was going to be one, the correct machine that worked with our dryer, delivered on Tuesday, and I had arranged. They had got. My neighbor Barry was going to help me move the one on top, and so the delivery could happen and then restack it. So. But now that's not necessary either. So an entire new machine, both. She went to buy it just today. So okay, so now that's the laundry situation. Someday maybe I'll be able to make those videos again. All right. All right. So what else is going on? I'm adjusting my diet. That's right. Given the amount of pain both kidneys lately, I think I'm consuming too much sugar and salt. I'm gonna cut all that out of my diet, so things are gonna get gross. But hey, maybe I won't be in agony all day. So hey, upside. All right. Okay, what else? Okay. Oh yeah, I did not make my YouTube payout. Well, I did, and then I didn't. That's right. It got rolled back. I don't know. Let that be a lesson to you. Don't go filming other people's concerts or any concerts. Maybe that's the lesson. Don't film concerts. All right. Oh, I see the walk. There's us. Good boy. Uh-oh. The tarp. It's windy. You said to poop right next to the tarp. If it gets really breezy, the tarp's gonna pop out. Okay. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, we have another successful poop video, but I bet he's got more, and he's got more, and that's just one little turd. He's got more. Let's check it. Oscar, the Grouch. Okay, I just remembered I didn't lock the door. I just walked out of the house. We're all the way down the street. It's okay. My neighborhood is actually pretty chill. Even though, it's kind of ghetto as fuck. But it's chill around here, for real. Come on. This guy. Come on. Get over here. Come on, let's go. Yeah, no selfie stick today. Yeah, it's a handheld. Hair's wet, that's why we got the hat on. Just washed it. And do the rest of it. No, I don't like that. It's like a helmet. It's going back on. That's even worse. Why did I mess with the hat? Okay, it's brilliant. Okay, let's wrap this up. Can we go, please? Thank you. All right, well, have a good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye now. I'm doing okay. I'm here. Never not having fun, everyone.